Gorgeous books for the animal lover or a child whose interest you want to curate in the animal kingdom. These are beautifully illustrated books and are huge, which enamored me and made me look at them for a second longer. Kids love huge pictures, so if you want to have a look at this picture book and then continue to see all the books, do let me know in the comments. Let's begin with the first one. Showing you one of these books. Do you see the fact file? Good for remembering.